Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my tech tutorial video. So this is Joy Marketing YouTube channel. In this very video, I'm gonna show you guys how to optimize your 100 smartphone. Alright, to make your 100 smartphone move faster. I believe recently on my tutorial I gave or I released a video concerning how to clear your dub files on Android, how to make your 100 phone move faster, and how to do so many stuff using a particular app. Alright, so in this video we will be focusing on how you can optimize your 100 to make your 100 phone move faster. Why I released this video is because recently I received let me say a call from a friend asking me, bro, how can I optimize my 100 phone? How can I make my 100 phone move faster? Because sometimes when I browse, my 100 slow down and it gets stuck all the way. So in this video, I'm making this video to show you many tricks on how you can optimize and make your 100 phone move faster. So we'll not talk too much. I will show you guys the way. It's very easy. You don't need any app, you don't need any trick. This is just within your 100 phone settings, which is it's work out there. This work perfectly. Alright, let me show you how to do this. First of all, you click your settings. For instance, like you click your settings. This is my settings tab, this is my settings icon. You click on it, you open your settings, then you scroll down you click on this about phones. In this tutorial, in this very part, we are opening developer option like this. This is what I mean, the developer option. This is what I mean, because many don't have this. To unlock this option, you have to do the procedure that I'm doing now. Alright, so you click on about phone, then you move down to build number, which is this. You move down to this and you click on it, because you have to double click on it until it gets to several times before your 100 developer option will be unlocked. Like this, mine is already unlocked and it's telling me that no need, you are already in developer. Okay, you have to double click on it several times to unlock your developer option. Now after clicking on it several times, your developer option will be unlocked, and congratulations, you are now in developer. Now to the tutorial. Okay, you move back and you click on the developer option. Now in this part, there are many things that you can do here. Okay, there are many things that you can do here and many things that you can perform in your developer option. For instance, we have take a bug reports, desktop backup password, stay awake, screen will never sleep while charging, enable Bluetooth HCI loop, capture on Bluetooth HCI packet in a file. Okay, OEM unlocking, allowing the bootloader to be unlocked. Okay, running services, viewing and controlling currently running service. Okay, web view. Okay, now the USB debug. Debug mode, when USB is connected, revoke USB debugging authorization. All right, Now back to our tutorial. Remember, this video we are focusing on how to make your Android phone move faster. Firstly, you have to unlock the developer option. Secondly, you have to follow this. All right, so scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Yep, this is it. Okay, this window animation scale, were fine. Okay, now you have to click on it and then you off it. Okay, now transition animation scale, click on it, there you off it. Animator duration scale, click on it, there you off it. All right, that is all. Congratulations, you have successfully unlocked the full speed of your Android smartphone. All right, now after doing this, you have to reboot your phone and then your phone will be faster. All right, that is how it works. Mind you, you can use this option to do many stuff. Okay, you can use this developer option to do many stuff on your Android phone that you don't even expect. All right, so you have to just unlock it and then congratulations, you are now in developer. All right, now that is all you have to do to make your Android phone move faster. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I believe you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to help me with the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Select the bell icon to stay tuned every single time, every single hour, every single day. I launch a new video on different ways you can make money online, your 100 tutorial and many other things that will help you online. All right, thank you very much, and don't forget, below the description of the video I'm gonna provide my my Telegram group that I share some things that I will not be able to share on my YouTube channel. Join it and stay safe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.